What you got going on today, Christian?
I gotta fix this thing. The fan wasn't working the other day, we took it out.
So last time we drove the quad out, well actually when Christian drove the quad, he fucked it up. Christian fucks up everything. So he's trying to fix the, remember he was doing those donuts? Let me roll that clip for you guys. Christian got a little too overexcited. Huh, Christian?
They weren't working when we bought the thing.
Maybe, but I think he fucked it up. So he's trying to check to see if the fans work. If they do work, then something's wrong with the wiring. But if they don't, then nope.
Motor stuck.
The motor on the fan.
And it's on engine start, so it should have kicked it on. Ooh.
Try it again.
It's not gonna. It was on engine start, so it should have kicked it on. I'm trying not to touch the wires together because if I do, that's gonna suck. No. Look.
Is that the right plug?
Yeah, there's one straight to the
fan?
To the fan.
Nah.
If I do it backwards.
It should still run. Yeah, even if you do it backwards.
Yeah, look.
Nothing. Don't we have a little fan like that? That's small? Oh no, that's just too small. No, that's just too small.
Is it?
Yeah.
I can smell the bird.
I farted away. Let me tell you guys a quick little story that happened to me right now. So as you guys know, I have the quad for sale, and some guy hit me up on OfferUp saying he wanted to come and check it out. I'm like, alright, yeah, shoot through. So he tells me, oh, I'm like 15 minutes away. And then I'm like, alright, fine. So I come into the garage, I start the bike just to make sure it starts, and it starts right up, right? I turn it off, I started it back again, it starts fine. 3 times, third time, I'm like, alright, let me start it again.
Charm.
And this shit fucking started like nothing. So I go back inside. 10 minutes later, the guy's like, alright, I'm outside. I come back in the garage, I try to start the fucking quad, and nothing, it doesn't want to fucking start. So I'm trying, I'm clicking it, nothing. And the fucking buyer ends up leaving. So now,
oh, tell them what happens after. Tell them what happens after.
What happens after?
I get here, throw the charger on it, bike starts.
Fucking bike starts after the buyer left, you know. So I call the buyer again, I'm like, bro, it starts. No answer, nothing. Fuck you, bike. Piece of shit. It happens, I guess.
It wasn't meant to be.
It wasn't meant to be, motherfucker. And he was gonna pay like top dollar for it. He was gonna pay me good for it. And the dude even waited. He's like, I'll wait till it starts. I kept fucking clicking it, nothing. I was like, fuck. Oh else. I don't know. We should fucking open them up and see what I got. What do you think? I think that's all I ordered.
I'm gonna break it already. I'm just being nosy right now.
Oh, those, I think those.
I'm just being nosy. I want to see what you bought.
Those arrived at Angel's house. He fucking opened them, I guess. Yeah, cause half of the parts I got them. I told you guys I ordered them through Angel's credit card, so or debit card. That way my lady doesn't know that I ordered this much parts way. You know?
But they sat inside the house for like forever.
Yeah, but she only saw like, I think only this one and this one got here way, and then the rest they were delivered to Angel's pad. That's smart, huh? Hey, Christian, that's smart way.
Mine wouldn't tell me anything. Mine would just look at me and be like, you're a dumbass. Straight up.
Oh,
Rear uppers?
no, yeah, those are the Rukas. Sexy. See or no? Ay, pinche Chris, eh? It's like Christmas all over again, huh?
I never get open to something.
Just kidding, wait, I didn't even get nothing for Christmas, wait.
Yeah, this is a late Christmas.
This is my Christmas right here.
I never get to open anybody else's present on Christmas.
Ooh. That's the other one. Alright, let's open another one.
It's gotta be something for the motor.
Yeah, that one's something for the motor. Why? Because it says
R32, R33, GTS, RB25. Yeah.
that's something to make it look pretty. Way.
Something? What?
Nah,
You
nah.
got something for that?
Nah, wait.
Oh, I really
Hey,
wanna
wait.
see this.
It was cheap, way.
I really want to see. Yes, finally. Nice. I like.
It's a clear cover for the RB. Sexy.
I like. Finally.
Yeah, wait.
She's gonna look nice.
She's gonna look pretty, way.
Pretty.
Can't wait.
Finally.
Alright. This one.
This feels like tensionerized.
They're long, so I think they're the the toes. Toe arms.
They are the rear torn. Yes, they are. Yeah. They're the, what is it? High clearance rear torn? Whatever. So like if you drop the car a lot,
Oh yeah.
the arm clears.
Mhm.
And so forth.
Unlike the other ones I have, they're straight and then they look like
They're all banged up.
yeah. They're all fucked up.
Well, you get the idea. You know what the one is. I love the one.
Hardware.
Yeah, hardware and then the other side.
The boxes are getting bigger, way. ¿Qué pedo? This one's big.
This one's fucking heavy. Yay, boxes.
Holy
boxes,
shit!
Okay?
Let's see.
I know what this is.
What?
This has to be rear knuckles. Yep, that's right.
The hell is that?
I'll open it right up, but yep, it's the rear.
Damn!
Yeah, really?
Too many? Too much? Too much bags? Oh! Oh!
Already breaking shit. No, I'm just playing. So this is for duals?
Yeah, rear knuckle, drop knuckle.
Drop knuckle for dual caliper and dual caliper.
Uf. Christian, ¿qué pedo? ¿Qué pedo?
God dang it! You put some bolts in this thing?
I wonder what this is, wey. The little ones? Hardware or qué pedo?
Let's find it. Feels heavy. Oh, there's the front ones.
The front ones.
The little minis.
Oh, the tractions.
Yeah. Yeah, I forgot the name of it.
Traction, no?
Yeah.
It's traction, toe, ruka, y drop knuckle. Ooh. So PVM everything, bro.
Really American. Why can't they make stuff for IS?
Cause it's not enough baller way. You need more expensive parts, way.
That's why I'm trying to get some from them. Wait. For IS.
Bros, I had to save for 2 years just to buy these parts.
You're lying.
Wait. Matter of fact, I think I still owe them. I'm not a baller like you, Christian. A ver esta. Last box.
Rear lower control arms. Oh, those are the offsets too.
Ooh. Is that all?
That is all.
Is that like a complete rear
setup? Yes.
Chingue su madre, wey.
Come on, PBM, you guys gotta start making stuff for IS. If I want something nice for that IS, I have to wait 3 months, and it's just really dumb expensive.
There it is, guys. My $2,000. Just kidding. $500 suspension. Wait, what if my girl sees it? Wait.
Well,
$300 way.
It's not. It's not Godspeed, I'll tell you that. So it's not $300. Maybe this was $300.
Shut up, wait. Say no more, wait.
I will say no more. Don't worry, my lower control.
Hey, wait. Fuck. I think I'm not gonna sleep in my pinche bed anymore, way. Say no more, Christian.
Fine.
Ya no digas nada, wey.
My rear lower control was like $400.
What?
Used.
No, mama.
So that's why I'm trying to see if PBM has anything for the IS, but they don't. So I gotta get everything from Serial 9 in Canada. They're the only ones that make like good stuff.
Good shit.
That I know of. There may be another company out there that makes something better, but I don't know of it yet. So I'm just trying not to break in the track, which is what
I'm trying not to break at the track too, way.
I mean, what you're trying to do. Right?
I'll probably break something else, way. Nah, I'm just trying to pinche, you know, go. Okay, I'm trying to do it right this time. Do it right.
He's learning.
That's it. That's what I'm trying to do. That's the goal here, way. All right, so can't wait. Can't wait to install these parts on my troquita. She's patiently waiting. Patiently waiting. We're gonna finish her though. Huh, Christian?
Yeah, we'll probably take the motor off of that after the motor comes out of this. Tomorrow we're gonna take the motor off of that.
Tomorrow's the day. Tomorrow.
And maybe paint the hood that I bought for the IS, but I don't know yet.
Did you bring it or no?
No, it didn't fit in the car.
And
I was tired of driving the truck all day. So.
Cool.
So tomorrow I'll take this motor off, and if we have time, then we'll paint the hood. If we don't have time, then I'll just do it another day.
There it is, guys. You heard it from Caillou. Tomorrow that engine's gonna be out.
It's almost out, but the car's not high enough, so we need.
Oh yeah. Don't forget the jack stands.
Bigger jack stands, so I have to bring those, and then we can actually take the motor out. Because we gotta drop the whole subframe. Technically, the motor's gonna come out through the bottom, so. I mean, yeah.
Cool. All right, that's it for today, guys. Come back tomorrow, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace out.